Hey everyone, welcome to Detached Garage. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sean, and this channel is all about helping you plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. In today's episode, we're unboxing some upgrades. Let's get to it. Thanks for watching, everyone. In today's episode, we're unboxing the garage door lighting kit. I'll put a link in the description below for where you can look at it. But today's episode is all about seeing what it's all about. I've emailed with the company back and forth quite a few times, trying to get some more details and information on it. Looked like a pretty solid kit, and they have some patented connectors that I'm interested to take a look at. So let's get into it. This kit was not too expensive. It was about $2.99. And there's two kits to choose from, and you basically choose between a single track garage door and a double track garage door. I'll put a few pictures up right now to show you what I'm talking about. But let's see what we got here. So, comes with a decent instruction kit, looks like. We've got I have a product list here. Got the instructions. We've got a lot of double-sided tape. What else do we got? A piece of paper here. There. We've got the power supply, and these don't look like very proprietary connectors. Oh, they're crimp connectors, so I'm sure we crimp them to something else. And we have got some zip ties. Some other connections. These look like crimp connections as well. And then these look like they plug into the LED light strips. Some mounting hardware with some double-sided tape. We've got 4 of the LED strips. And then we have in here. All right. So this looks like an L bracket that mounts to the single garage door track, and then this probably, when the garage door closes, this makes a connection with to basically turn the light on. So see, you can adjust these tabs here with these little set screws or set nuts to adjust that. And there's 2 of these, I believe. One for each side of the track. And another set here to make that connection. So, pretty short video today, but just wanted to show you, was definitely expecting a larger box for this, but just wanted to show you guys kind of the unboxing of this product. or hopefully get some an installation video going here in the next few days, so I can put this on my garage door. So if you haven't heard about this product before, it's a strip of LEDs that go across your garage door. I'm guessing it mounts with the double-sided tape with these LED strips. And then when the garage door goes up, it makes a connection here with these tabs to illuminate the LED strips, so you don't have any dead space. So if you've got lights that are up behind your garage door, when the garage door is open, that would be blocking those lights and you would not have light coming down to the garage floor. So this kind of solves that problem. The other thing I'm going to look into is we leave our current garage door up quite often in the summer. So I'm wondering if I could potentially wire in a switch where it would essentially feed off of the light bulb that is in the garage door opener itself currently, and potentially could make a modification where it would act as that light bulb acts, where it's on a timer and the garage door goes up. The LED strips would come on, and then after a certain period of time, it would shut off again. And I could use the switch on right next to the garage door going into the house to turn on and off that light when the garage door is up or down or closed or whatnot. So it'll be an experience. I'm going to install it first per the instructions and per the directions, and then we'll see what kind of modifications we can get into in the future here to make it a switchable garage door light. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.